Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here you'll hopefully find somewhere the battery saver toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. And once you locate this toggle, simply turn it on by tapping on it. This will bring up a message: turn on battery saver to extend battery life. Battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restricts background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So select turn on, and there we go. Now the brightness here is dropped quite significantly, and yeah, so that is how you can turn it on. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply finding the toggle once more, tapping on it again, and this will revert back to the original state. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.